In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google the default search engine in Microsoft Edge. Let's start by opening Microsoft Edge on your computer. You'll find the icon, often an elegant blue E with a hint of a wave, either on your desktop or in your taskbar. Once you've launched the browser, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. Here you'll see three horizontal dots, often referred to as the ellipsis or simply the three-dot menu. Clicking on this icon opens a menu that leads you to Edge's settings and preferences. Once you've clicked the three-dot menu, a drop-down will appear. Seek out and select the settings option from the list. This action will take you to a new page dedicated to configuring various aspects of your browsing experience in Edge. On the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll notice a panel filled with different categories. Here, you're going to navigate to the section labeled Privacy, Search and Services. Clicking on this option will refresh the central part of the page, showing you further settings that deal with how Edge protects and manages your browsing data. Within this area, you'll want to find and click on Search and Connected Experiences. This section is pivotal because it's where all your search-related settings are gathered. It deals with not just how you search, but also how Edge can connect you with information seamlessly as you browse. As you delve deeper, your next click should be on Address Bar and Search. This option will unlock further controls specifically related to what happens when you type something into the address bar, effectively where all the magic happens when you search for anything online. Now here is where you make the important change. Under the heading Search Engine Used in Address Bar, you'll notice a drop-down menu, click on it, and you'll see a selection of search engines appear. From this list, choose Google. By doing this, you ensure that every time you type a query into the address bar, Edge will use Google to fetch your search results. And there you have it. From opening Microsoft Edge to selecting Google as your default search engine, you've seamlessly transformed how you search the web. If you're ever inclined to explore other search engines, you can always return to these settings and make adjustments to suit your needs. This simple adjustment can significantly enhance your browsing experience, especially if you find Google's search capabilities more aligned with your preferences. Thank you for watching and enjoy your new streamlined search experience in Microsoft Edge.